Hello students, today we are going to learn about nouns. So let's see. What is noun? Noun is the name of persons, places, animals or things. Example, Ram, table, Indore, etc. Now, what is common noun? A common noun is the generic name for a person, place or thing in a class or group. Example, school, biscuit, etc. These are common noun. Clear? Now, what are proper nouns? Proper noun is the special name of a person, place, or thing. Example, Rahul, Raj, Jasmine, Mohan, Sohan, Italy, India, etc. Clear, students? Now, what are countable nouns? The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns, like bananas, apples, books, copies, etc. Now, what are uncountable nouns? The nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Example, milk, sugar, etc. Here, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, example, bananas, school, bed, etc. are countable nouns. Uncountable noun, milk, sugar, rice, these are the example of uncountable noun. Why? Because students, in numbers we cannot count milk, sugar and rice, but in numbers we can count bananas, school, bed. It means the noun which we can count in numbers are called countable. The nouns which we cannot count in numbers are called uncountable noun. Clear? Now, we are going to learn about singular countable nouns. What are singular countable nouns? Singular countable nouns use the article like a, an or the before them. We use a or an before a noun when we talk about something general, and we use the before a noun when we talk about something specific. Plural countable nouns. What are plural countable nouns? Plural countable nouns usually change forms to tell us that they refer to more than one. Clear, students? Singular means one or plural means more than one. Examples, singular or plural. Singular, banana is a singular noun and bananas plural. School, schools. Bed, beds. Teacher, teacher, teachers. Student, students. These are the example of singular and plural countable nouns. Thank you, students.